Hi, to enable OTG connections on your Poco X7, firstly open settings. And previously you had to go in About Phone tab, tap 7 times on OS version to enable developer mode and find this feature there. But now on this device you just need to scroll down, find your additional settings, then scroll a bit more, and now you can see OTG. So you can tap it, and now it is turned off because the switcher is gray. You can easily turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and now it is enabled, and you can connect a flash drive or other external device to your smartphone via OTG. And it's important to remember that if you don't connect anything for 10 minutes, it will automatically disconnect to save battery. This is just incredibly convenient. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!